Want every champion in League fast? Here's how to unlock them with 4 simple ways. First, use Blue Essence, the free in-game currency you earn by playing and disenchanting shards. Open the store, find the champion, and click Unlock to spend Blue Essence. Second, buy champions instantly with RP, Riot Points purchased with real money. Top up RP, hit Confirm, and the champion is yours right away. Third, champion shards drop from loot and can be crafted or disenchanted for Blue Essence. Fourth, Hex Tag crafting, open chests, collect shards, and reforge champions permanently. Earn keys and chests through games or buy them in the store for faster loot. Use 3 champion shards to reforge a permanent champion or disenchant them for Blue Essence. Pro tip: check the rotating shop for discounts and weekly deals to save Blue Essence or shards. Quick recap: Blue Essence, RP, champion shards, and Hex Tag crafting, 4 fast ways to unlock champions. Go unlock your next main now, hit the shop, craft, or open chests, and happy hunting.